Guys, for me it's like 8 a.m. and there is rain already. Like, first of all, there was rain some minutes ago. It was like not that strong. Now it came back stronger. But it's not that like thunderstorms, but yeah, like look. Yeah, that's crazy, dude. Like, I just woke up some minutes ago. Like, dude, that's I mean, yo, don't you dare come in. You just can't. It's dangerous. Yeah, that's my cat Lucky. You guys love him. Yeah. Oh. All right. Like you can see it, good quality. But yeah, you cannot see it in good quality for some reason. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Look. Yeah, dude, I'm gonna swap the